Hi, I'm John, and I'm a legal advocate at the Asian Pacific American Legal Center. We are a nonprofit legal organization in Southern California. The Legal Center has received many phone calls about the new Deferred Action program, and with this video, we hope to answer some of the most common questions. Deferred action is temporary relief from deportation. This means that the government will not initiate deportation proceedings against certain people who come to the United States as children and who do not have lawful immigration status. With deferred action, employment authorization will also be allowed. Deferred action and employment authorization will be given in 2-year increments, with a possibility of renewal at the end of the 2-year period. What deferred action is not is a permanent pathway to legal status or citizenship, but there are many benefits, including protection against deportation and the ability to work legally in the United States. You will also be able to get a social security number and, in some states, a driver's license. In other words, deferred action can help put you on the road to financial stability. How do you know if deferred action is right for you? Here are some things to consider before applying. Do you have documents that prove your eligibility? These documents must be verifiable, meaning that it is information that the government could confirm or verify that it is correct. APALC has a checklist to help you identify the documents that could be helpful in your deferred action application. It is available on our website. Having verifiable documents will be critical to a successful deferred action application. Since there is no deadline to submit applications, you should take the time to send in a thorough and complete application rather than send in a bare bones one right away. Please keep in mind, you should not submit altered or fraudulent documents. The federal government has said it will enforce immigration laws against anyone who tries to use fraud to obtain deferred action status. Are you comfortable coming forward to access deferred action, knowing that there is no guarantee that the program will be available after 2 years? There is a lot of uncertainty with the process and whether this program could lead to some kind of pathway to citizenship in the future. There are a lot of unknowns. It is an individual's decision as to whether to come forward or not based on these unknowns. The government has stated that the intent of the program is to provide some relief to those who come to the United States as children and who do not have lawful status. The government has also said that they do not intend to use the program to enforce immigration laws against applicants and their families. However, applying for deferred action will be coming out to the government about your status and history. It is important that you think through the process and see whether it is the right thing for you. Do you have any prior arrests or criminal convictions that need to be thought through before applying for deferred action? You should have copies of all your court documents and arrest records. You should also obtain a FBI check to get your complete criminal history. You may think that something is very minor and will not have an impact on your application. That may be true, but you should speak to an experienced immigration attorney before submitting a deferred action application. It's important to know and understand your criminal history and how it will impact your chances of getting an approved deferred action application. Beware of immigration preparers, notaries, and others who claim to be immigration experts. Many people will try to use this opportunity to defraud you. Get recommendations for an immigration attorney. Meet with any immigration attorney before hiring them and ask questions. Don't pay anyone if you don't feel comfortable. Notarios and preparers are not authorized to practice law, and you should not pay them to prepare your application. We hope this video provides some answers to common questions. The Legal Center can provide more information and assistance with applications. To contact us, call 888-349-9695 or check out our website at www.apalc.org. Thank you.